The list is long, 248 politicians and bureaucrats. Those are just the names on the authenticated list. Thousands more benefited from the NRO. The list also reads like a Bible of white-collar crime: embezzlement, misuse of authority in awarding contracts, illegal allotment of plots, misappropriation of public funds, forgery and fraud. President Asif Ali Zardari tops the chart with 6 listed cases, including misuse of authority in the SGS PSI company, the ARY gold case, corruption in URSUS tractors, Cotecna, and the illegal construction of a polo ground in the PM House. One of the PPP's old guard, Nawab M. Yusuf Talpur, is also there, a co-accused in Zardari's tractor case. Other PPP leaders include Chaudhry Ahmed Mukhtar, Rahman Malik, Hussain Haqqani, Malik Mushtaq Ahmed Awan, Jahangir Badr, and Begum Nusrat Bhutto. Politicians from other parties include MQM Chief Altaf Hussain, MQM leaders Farooq Sattar and Babar Khan Ghori, Governor of Sindh Ishudulabad, ex-MNA Sardar Mansoor Laghari, PMLN's former Member Parliament Haji Kabir Khan, former Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly Haji Mohammad Nawaz Khokar, ex-MNA Anwar Saifullah Khan, former Minister for Education Sindh Agha Siraj Ahmed Durrani, former Chief Minister of NWFP Aftab Ahmed Khan Sherpao, former Provincial Minister NWFP Ghaniur Rahman, former Provincial Minister Habibullah Khan Kundi, and former Federal Minister Mir Baz Mohammad Khetran. Just a cursory glance at the list shows the depth of corruption too, with cases registered as far back as 1988, and the level of collusion between low-level government servants, politicians and bureaucrats. Among the government servants, for example, are several co-accused in the cases against politicians. For instance, ex-Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister, Saeed Mehdi, was also involved in the polo ground case. Others include ex-Chief Secretary Javed Ahmed Qureshi, ex-Chief Executive of the Civil Aviation Authority Rais M. Irshad, Usman Ghani Khan Khatri of the Privatization Commission of Pakistan, former Spy Master Brigadier retired Imtiaz Ahmed, ex-Chairman Pakistan Steel Mills Muhammad Usman Farooqi, ex-Secretary Commerce and now Secretary to President Salman Farooqi, and ex-Chairman Pakistan Automobile Corporation Limited Javed Barki. But will publishing a list of NRO beneficiaries do more than certify what was already urban legend? After all, corruption is a virus that has become immune to any legal antibiotic. Rahim Shamsi, Dawn News, Islamabad.